What's good, people? This is Treese, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. I know it's been a while, it's been a couple of years, but I'm back because I have time now. I have so much time. And I wanted to come and show you guys how I achieved this faux lock bob. Since we're on this lockdown, I've been wanting to do this style for like the longest, but never really had time to. But since we are in a situation right now, I wanted to try this hairstyle out. I purchased this hair, which is the Twisted Up Expressions Springy AfroTwist in the number 2. These were $10 a pack. I bought 3 packs, and I used 1 strand of hair per braid for each one. So I used 2 packs and 2 strands out of the 3rd pack. This took me about 2 days. Not because it takes 2 days, but because I took breaks and I didn't finish it all the way through. If I would have just sat down somewhere and finished it all the way through, it probably would have took me maybe 3 to 4 hours. But yeah, it's neither here nor there. So I wanted to come to you guys to show you how I achieved this because it's very simple and easy to do. I braided down my hair. I had some help with the top part, but I braided down my hair. I braided it down too tight. So make sure when you are trying to do this style, do not braid your hair down tight because you will not be able to, it's going to be kind of difficult for you to pull the strand of hair, crochet the strand of hair through that braid. So yeah, I also did the front first because I wanted the hair to frame my face. So I knew if I started in the front, I would know how to, gauge the length of the hair in the back. So yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Alright, so I have the strand of hair and a crochet needle, and my braid is already braided down. So yeah, you take your crochet needle, put it in underneath the braid, grab the hair and crochet that in the hook, close the hook and slide it right on through. Kind of match them up a little and wrap this around the base of the braid like twice just to make sure it's secure and that you can't see the braid. And then you just keep wrapping till you get to the end of the hair. And it doesn't matter how you wrap it. I mean, it depends on what you're trying to achieve. You see how it's tight now. Once I get to the end of the braid, once I get to the end of wrapping this, it's not gonna stay this tight. So wrap, and you see how it's running out of hair. I would add some of the hair from the bottom of the braid or the faux lock and gather it with the piece of hair that's about to run out and keep wrapping like such. And we're gonna keep wrapping, and now I see how long this is because remember I'm doing a bob. So once I get to that length, I'll start wrapping it back up wrapping it back up. Wrapping it back up. And then, see that little piece? I keep wrapping it and around till I run out of hair. And then I go like that. And with this, when I get to the end, I just snip it off like that. And if you don't want that, like, to make it, if you don't want it to look like it's been cut, just get that piece and wrap it in your hand, and there you go. I mean, it still kind of look like you cut it, but it's faux locks. It's supposed to have some type of texture and style to it, or you could leave those little pieces on there if you want to, but because I did that with this one. No, not that one. With this one, I cut a piece off and I left a little piece of curl right there. So, I mean, with this, you can be creative. If you're not creative, you will be creative with this, because, I mean, it's just so much you can do with it. I really, really, really like this style. I think it looks good on me, especially the bob. Now, anything longer, I probably wouldn't go for it, but since it's a bob and I like bobs, it works for me. So, if you like this style and you would like to see more content from me, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.